This is the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2, the latest rugged smartwatch of 2026 that claims it can go head-to-head with the Garmin Fenix series and even rival the Apple Ultra 3. It comes with a titanium build, an ultra-bright screen, massive battery life, and serious outdoor tech. But the real question is simple. Can the Ultra 2 actually beat Garmin's Fenix lineup and challenge the Apple Ultra 3 in performance, durability, and everyday use? In this video, we're going to break down all the new features and upgrades, put the battery to the test, and do a full in-depth review of every major feature so you know exactly what this watch can and can't do. Let's dive right in. Welcome to SmartWatch Radar. Design and build quality. The T-Rex Ultra 2 looks and feels like a proper rugged watch. It has a large and bold design that immediately tells you this watch is built for extreme use. The titanium bezel gives it a premium and tough feel, and the sapphire glass on top adds extra protection against scratches. This is not a slim or lightweight smartwatch. It's designed for hikers, climbers, trekkers, and outdoor users who want durability over fashion. On the wrist, it feels solid and secure, and the buttons are easy to press even with gloves on. The watch is also highly water resistant, so swimming, rain, or water sports are not a concern at all. Compared to many Garmin outdoor watches, the build quality feels just as strong and premium, especially considering the price difference. Display experience. One of the biggest highlights of the T-Rex Ultra 2 is its display. It uses a large AMOLED screen that is extremely bright. Even under harsh sunlight, the screen remains very easy to read. This is especially important for outdoor use where visibility matters more than anything. Colors look sharp, text is clear, and maps are easy to view while moving. Many users feel this display is actually easier to read outdoors than some competing rugged watches that use dimmer screens to save battery. For navigation, workouts, or quick glances during hikes, the display is one of the strongest points of this watch. Battery life performance. Battery life is another major strength of the T-Rex Ultra 2. Amazfit has added a very large battery and the results are impressive. In normal smartwatch use, the watch can easily last multiple weeks without charging. Even with frequent workouts and notifications, you don't need to worry about daily charging. When using GPS for outdoor activities, battery life is still very strong. Long hikes, trail runs, and multi-day trips are easily possible without carrying a charger. This makes it a great choice for people who travel, camp, or spend a lot of time outdoors. While some Garmin watches still offer slightly longer GPS endurance in specific modes, the difference is not huge for most users. For everyday outdoor use, the T-Rex Ultra 2 delivers excellent battery life. GPS and navigation. The T-Rex Ultra 2 offers advanced GPS tracking with support for multiple satellite systems. GPS lock is fast, and route tracking is accurate enough for hiking, running, and cycling. One of the biggest upgrades is offline map support. You can view maps directly on the watch and follow routes without needing your phone. This is extremely useful for trail navigation, mountain hikes, and exploring new areas. Garmin still leads when it comes to advanced navigation tools and detailed map customization, but Amazfit has clearly closed the gap. For most users, the navigation features on the T-Rex Ultra 2 are more than enough. Health and fitness tracking. The watch offers comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and activity tracking. For daily fitness and general health monitoring, it performs well and provides consistent data. For casual users, hikers, and fitness enthusiasts, the tracking is accurate enough and reliable. However, serious athletes may still notice that Garmin watches provide more advanced training metrics and slightly better accuracy during intense workouts. That said, Amazfit continues to improve its health tracking algorithms, and for most users, the experience is perfectly acceptable. Smart features and everyday use. Beyond fitness and outdoor use, the T-Rex Ultra 2 also works well as an everyday smartwatch. Notifications are clear and readable, music storage is supported, and basic smart features work smoothly. One very useful addition is the built-in flashlight, which is surprisingly handy during night walks, camping, or emergencies. Small features like this make the watch feel more practical for real outdoor use. The overall interface is smooth and easy to use, though it may take a little time to get familiar if you're coming from another brand. Real user experience. From early user feedback, most people are very happy with the battery life, rugged build, and display quality. Many users say it feels like a premium outdoor watch without the premium price tag. Some users still mention that training insights and ecosystem features are not as deep as Garmin's, especially for advanced athletes. But for outdoor adventurers, hikers, and everyday users, the positives clearly outweigh the negatives. Final verdict. So is the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 worth buying in 2026? If you want a rugged smartwatch with excellent battery life, a super bright display, strong navigation features, and a tough build, this watch is absolutely worth considering. It delivers many flagship-level features while remaining more affordable than most premium outdoor watches. Garmin still has the edge in advanced fitness analytics and ecosystem depth, but for most users, the T-Rex Ultra 2 offers outstanding value and performance. This is easily one of the best rugged smartwatches of 2026 for outdoor lovers who want power, durability, and long battery life without overspending. After using the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2, it's clear this is a strong, rugged smartwatch. It doesn't fully replace the Garmin Fenix series or the Apple Watch Ultra 3, but for the price, it delivers impressive battery life, durability, and outdoor features. Share your thoughts below, tell me what comparison you want next, and don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartWatch Radar.